Hey everyone, and welcome back. It's been quite a while, and I know some of you have been waiting for it. I present to you my robot snowblower. For those of you that seen the last snow robot video, you remember me having issues with the tracks, and I didn't end up with that much footage. I have come up with a solution for this, and redesigned the tracks to use metal pins and a slider style foot on the bottom instead of the rollers. This installs in the same place on the same pins that the rollers used to run on. Updating the track design means I had to reprint all of the parts. That's a lot of parts. And I had to make new pins. And again, this time instead of the plastic pins, I'm going with coat hanger, all cut to length and pushed in. And depending on the fitment of the plastic parts, because they didn't all print consistently, I use super glue to hold them in on one part of the moving action. After assembling the track, it's time to put it on the machine. I'm using an M4 by 20 screw and nut to hold the track together as the master link. Now on the length of this track, I needed a skip link or a half link to fit the perfect length to avoid putting a different style tensioner in it. Now I could have put a roller on the top here, but I didn't. It doesn't really seem to need it. Now to test the new belt, which is just an O-ring, and the actuator, which is the new system I've added to the robot to be able to lift the blower up and down. Now without the weight of the battery in it, it kind of moves the robot more than I would like, and hopefully the battery will offset that. Now I think it's time to blow some snow. Unfortunately, the weather hasn't cooperated with my schedule. Typical. It got really warm, then it got cold, now it's warm again. So everything's kind of hard and chunked up. So it's not really the best snow to be testing this unit on, but I don't really want to wait forever for the right conditions to show up. I managed to clear a little bit of the snow on the driveway here, but as you can see, controlling this thing is a little bit of a chore. I need to refine the system a little bit more. I've also noticed a couple other issues that I am hawing around on how I'm going to solve them, but I'll get into that later. Now I'm going to attempt a different set of conditions and clear off my front steps. overall, the updated tracks seem to hold together much better. I never had one issue with them the entire time shooting this. However, I need to work some sort of smooth starting system into the controller that I use for mixing this, because it's still a little bit jerky and hard to really drive this thing into a snowbank without, kind of wheeling it up over the bank. The other issue is the snow is hard, and because the snowblower isn't as wide as the machine, it just kind of climbs up on top of the snow. A quick solution for this might be to put some sort of wing system on either side of the blower housing to kind of funnel the snow in, and that way it would keep the scoop down. However, I might just redesign the whole snowblower from scratch to work a little bit better with this platform. I would, however, still like to test this under the perfect snow conditions, and I will kind of keep this ready and waiting in my back pocket. If the perfect conditions happen to arise before the end of the season, I'll go out and shoot another short little bit of video for you guys and show off what it can really do in the right conditions. I have some updates I'd like to do to the robot and some other attachments I'd like to build for it that I can use throughout the year. I was thinking of maybe a salter, maybe a lawnmower, or some kind of weed eater sort of thing for doing edging or whatnot, other than just using this to bomb around as an FPV robot, which would also be fun. Really, I'm rather happy with how this robot's coming along and the way it works. That being said, you guys are definitely going to see it again. But for now, that's about all I got for you. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, do the social media thing, click the buttons, and I'll see you guys later. Have a good one.